Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm not 100% sure I've got this under control, but a viewer, subscriber, a young lady was asking me if you could scan some fabric and make your own bitmap fill. I did it, but I don't know if it's going to work. So if we go to bitmap, if you go to your interactive fill tool and go up to bitmap, it puts my fill in there, but I don't know, and maybe somebody else will chime in. I don't know. I'm trying to get rid of the outline. That comes up automatically, and I honestly don't know, where to go. See, this is Get More, like you buy them. And anyway, so I'm going to try another one and just see what happened. So I'm going to delete all these, and I made a new pattern. And I'm going to go, and I learned this from this young lady. I'm going to go to File and Export into Documents, I'm just going to go through it. Documents, Corel Contents, Fills, and I'm going to name it PA Pattern 2. All it is was a zoomed in version in a PNG and export it. I tried playing around with this, and I don't know, if it's what I'm doing is right. I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to get a circle or an ellipse and go to my interactive fill tool and go to, and look at that, it puts the old pattern in there. So I don't know how to get to the new pattern. I'm kind of at a loss. I'm hoping somebody else will chime in here. I add a folder. See, it just says a starter pack. If we go to Documents, Corel Contents, and Fills, it doesn't show me my new fills. And I'm pretty sure it's not in the starter pack. So I'm at a little bit of a loss. I'm this far. I did some fabric and it looks pretty cool. I actually made the fabric bigger, but I don't know, maybe somebody else will chime in. There's got to be something like edit the fill and choose pattern 2. And see, it just made a pattern of my new one. Now let's see if we can make a new one from the new. And see, it does. But I don't know really how to get back and forth if you want to use the old one. That noise are going off if I hit my drive. So that's basically the new pattern, because the old pattern. So let's see if we can edit it. So maybe somebody that knows more about this will chime in, and you could choose pattern 1 and see it's totally different because it's larger. It's got those diamonds where this doesn't have the diamonds. So I'm that far, and if I learn a little bit more, if somebody chimes in, and please leave me a message on the video, and we can. I looked on the couple YouTubes and couldn't find anything really to help. But so far we're this far, and I really appreciate that young lady. She asked me an original question about she was having problems with SmartFill, and I said send me the file. She figured it out, and then she had this question. But that's pretty cool to be able to scan a piece of fabric. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea. And if you know more, let me know. Thank you for watching.